This is the elevator in the Cowger garage at the Kentucky International Convention Center in Louisville, Kentucky. Oh yeah, remember this one. We'll go on this on the next ride.
No, not in the parking garage. I know. Go with it.
Nice bell. Nice. No fire alarm bell. It's a very slow door.
I'm sure the elevator's cold.
Go down to B2. Holy cow, look how smooth it is. No. EPCO. No cameras in here.
Somebody comes in and you gotta put the camera down.
No, there's no security cameras in here. Six. Let's listen to the bell. Already rang. Let's go up 6. 8 stories. These are so smooth you barely feel it. These are rather slow. Here at 6. Back down to wait till the door opens. I care less about the electronic door chime or about the
smoking. Mind if I smoke? I don't care if you burn.
That bell's messed up. So, nice elevator. There's Big Brother. EPCO Survivor, Vandal Assistant, hands-free ADA code by phone. 3,500 pound capacity.
What level is the
bridge on? 3. This is level 3. We're in the orange level. We'll do extended ticket this tomorrow. There goes and. That's it.